Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to make an Amish cornbread that is such a comforting classic straight from the heart of country kitchens. So sour cream is added to this bread, which offers a rich tang and helps create a moist and tender bread with a perfect balance of flavor and texture. So I've got all my ingredients here on my counter, and this recipe is super easy. All you do is just dump everything in a bowl, mix it together, pour it in a pan and bake it. But let's get started because it's that time. It's time to get cooking. All right, so to a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of cornmeal using yellow cornmeal and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, I'm just going to give this a mix. Next, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Okay, just mix it all together until it's really well combined. I like to bake my cornbread in a hot skillet. Now I've added 2 tablespoons of butter and I've let it melt in the oven. So this is a nice hot skillet. But you could use an 8x8 baking dish if you like. That's completely up to you. I'm just gonna pour my batter into my skillet. Okay, then bake your cornbread in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes.
And now I am brushing over some melted butter right on top.
All right, so the cornbread is all done, and just look at it. Oh, I cannot wait to cut myself a slice. Okay, so now it is my favorite time. It is time to eat this delicious cornbread. Now, whether you're serving it alongside of a hearty stew or you just drizzle honey over it like I did here, this cornbread brings old-fashioned goodness to every bite. It's so light and fluffy. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Well, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more delicious recipes. God bless, and I'll see you next time.